my name Borat, nice meet. No, what up? My name's Shazz. This is my 1998 BMW E36. I'll give you a quick walk around. It's got Advan Model 5s, Huxley Motorsports kit all around. I molded the hood vent into the stock hood. A lot of bondoing and shit. Needs a refinish though. We got the Sparco Sprint seats. They're Sparco's like base model seats, but they're super comfy. We got Huxley Motorsports roof wing, and then drag wing that I made myself. Might be for sale soon. Let me know if you're interested. And then we got good enough garage exhaust. We built it in my friend's garage. It's pretty ghetto, but it sounds pretty good actually. That's about it. Let's go for a drive.
There we go. Oh yeah, that non-M3 power. Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from junkyards.com, also known as Siggy.vip. I'm here with my friend Shazz.
What up?
Shazz Bazzer. You guys can see a bunch of drift videos on his channel and on his Instagram page linked below. Today we're going to be just talking about his E36 build that he's been working on for 3 years.
Yep.
As you can see, really sick floral pattern going on in the car. We got the shift boot with the floral. We got the sunroof. No one cares about the aesthetics. I mean, this is a good looking car, but we're going to talk about the mods that he's done, some of the driving experiences that he's had, and also kind of the reliability and daily ability of this car, because this is his daily. And it is a sick one with a super low Sparco racing passenger seat and a full harness that's properly set up, but it's sick. So tell me a little bit about the car.
So I've had it about 3 years. Its motor's pretty much stock. Just went through all the suspension bushings, coilovers, like control arms, and it's got, me and my friend made like custom extended lower front control arms. And oh my god, this is bumpy. And then I just got some cut knuckles basically for an angle kit. Other than that, a lot of aesthetics and just working out kinks and getting it to be like a good daily, a good all around, like do everything. Drift car, go to the mountains.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want.
So you actually do drift this car?
Yeah, yesterday I woke up and just mobbed an hour and a half and got a spot last minute at the event and drifted it, came home. It was perfect.
Yeah, so this is a car basically that you can wake up, be like, I'm going to go to a drift event today. Drive it to the drift event without a trailer, fit some spares in the back.
Yep.
And then go drift.
And bring tools.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Drift the balls out of it and then drive home, and it's fine. So what is the wheel setup on it, and how long did it take you to figure that out? Did you go through different fitments and stuff? Or
I started with like the Corvette saw blade swap that is pretty common on these and like Volkswagens.
Yeah.
Same bolt pattern, you just got to throw in spacers. And then I ended up getting a set of AVS Model 5s, Advans. And then I cracked one drifting into a curb.
Yeah, that was nice.
And then I saw another full set on Yahoo Japan auctions.
Yeah.
Hit up my friend Jacob Joffrey, and he imported me another full set.
Nice.
So now I have 7.
Wow.
One's broken.
Yeah, what a good number of rooms to have. Yeah. And what's the tire size that you're running?
They're 215, 40, and then sometimes 45 all around.
Woo.
Oh my god.
Goodness. So
yeah, it's a little bumpy sometimes.
Yeah, the camber just literally came down from that bump. Alright, so it's a 5-speed?
Yeah.
Shifter! Shifter.
Supposedly gets 22 miles to the gallon,
Yeah.
which is pretty good.
It's got a 315 welded diff.
Yeah.
We got the ASD hydro here. Sparco steering wheel.
Yeah.
I got this at Pick and Pull. Huge find.
From what?
It's a $400 AKG shifter.
Yeah.
There's like a modified E36 at Pick and Pull junkyard.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Sick. And then up front, you're telling me about these switches that you wired in.
Oh yeah, these are like Mercedes switches. These are old traction control buttons that I swooped from Pick and Pull.
Yeah.
This one, probably shouldn't say that. This one, starter, ignition, strobes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and you also have a custom horn because the steering wheel doesn't work, right?
Yeah, it's my fog light. Ooga.
Yeah, ridiculous sounding horn. All right, so what's the story of the car? How much does it cost you, and what did it take? Like, how much time, if you started again, knowing what you know now, how quick could you turn this into?
So this was like the first car I really like started working on.
Yeah.
And like, I don't know, I pretty much touched like everything on the car.
Yeah.
Even though it's not that heavily modified, a lot of maintenance. For $1,700.
Nice.
Pretty rough around the edges.
Yeah.
But it had 140k miles. And I was originally going to get a 240.
Uh-huh.
But my friend kind of talked me into getting this, and I'm glad he did.
Yeah.
It's a lot more, in my eyes, like reliable, and it has stock power. Don't need to modify it too much. I feel like with a 240, I probably wouldn't be detailing this for 3 years.
Yeah, that's true. And the fact that you got the sedan is pretty sick.
And plus these cars are like, these cars are plentiful at like junkyards. So literally, this car is built on eBay, junkyards, and later on in the build, I started buying some nice parts when I realized I want to keep it. Driver's seat, like probably a year and a half into the ownership, and then passenger seat I got pretty recently.
Nice. Yeah, and this passenger seat is so low. Why? Like, physically speaking.
It came with a bottom bracket and sliders, and it's my passenger. I didn't really want to touch it. I just threw it in and left it that way.
Yeah, so the seat is really low, so you guys can see some footage right here. Flopping in, trying to get in here. But it is super fun. So reliability-wise, what have you had to do like on the big maintenance to keep it running?
Over winter break, a few months ago, did head gasket, and we were renovating my house. It was pouring rain.
Yeah.
I did it outside with an easy up.
Nice.
that was interesting.
Wow.
Other than that, the stock handbrake used to break like basically the whole rear braking system sometimes when I ripped it.
Yeah.
A little tab on the trailing arm would snap and it would just break everything in its way. So I went with the hydro. Doesn't lock up as well, but still nice.
Yeah, and what did that cost?
It's about $300 all said and done.
Nice.
I went with inline instead of dual caliper. Kind of wish I went dual caliper.
Yeah. Do you think that's something you're going to swap out later?
Probably not. Like, you can't get it to like, you really have to throw the car to get it to lock up.
Yeah.
But once you're in drift, it's fun.
Nice.
cost me like $200.
Oh my god.
They were pretty trash.
Yeah.
They got me through like my first few events.
Yeah.
But then I started to realize how shitty they were. And they're like non-adjustable height-wise. Got another set of coilovers off Craigslist. I was like, these are pretty good, but they're a little soft.
Yeah.
And then ended up getting Broadway static coilovers.
Nice, and that's what you're running.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you adjust them at all when you go to drift events, or just street and drift
Yeah,
the same?
I just leave them.
Nice. That's
You can like change dampening and stuff, but I just leave it.
Yeah. That's awesome. Well, hopefully you E36 owners enjoyed this video. For anyone who doesn't, thank you. For anyone who doesn't own an E36, but you want to get into the drift builds, follow Shazz on Instagram and DM him with a bunch of questions so he can be annoyed at the pestering people who are trying to get their build. But yeah, honestly, he's such a nice guy. So knowledgeable about E36, pretty much all cars and mechanic stuff in general. So thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to see more footage, go to his channel because there's so much smoky tire goodness. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. See you guys in the next one.
Hell yeah. Smash that smash button.
That smash button. Yeah. This is what happens when you get trapped by your own seat. Nice.